Hello everyone. So you can see this is the product module, and we will set up Zoho WorkDrive extension for the product module. And you can see this is the current situation. We will copy the field name first, then go to the edit section, then edit page layout from here. And in the layout, create a new field to save the WorkDrive Folder ID. And we are saving it here. Close and save. And now we can cancel it from here. You can see there is a field created for the WorkDrive Folder ID. Okay, now we need to create a workflow for the product module. We need to go to the setting page, workflow rule, create rule, product, create, product, folder in WorkDrive. Let's say we will set using Easy WorkDrive for Zoho CRM extension. Okay. Then select the record action, create. Next, all product. Done. From here, hover the custom action, and from here, select the Create WorkDrive settings. Now, here, you need to select the Create WorkDrive folder option first. Then, it says that you need to select the root folder. So for us, the root folder should be It's loading yet. Okay, after the loading, you need to select the workspace. Then select the Easy WorkDrive or whatever your team folder. Then you can create a new module folder for products. Let's done. So all the product folders will be saved under this module folder. Select folder. Now, what you can do, you can just remove it and press Shift 3, so you can select the product name from here. And then you can click on the pencil icon, and you need to select where the folder ID will be saved. Save folder. WorkDrive Folder ID, the field we have created recently. Okay, there are some options as well. If you want to use it, you can use it later, but first, let's proceed with the basic installation. Save. Okay, then observe settings. Here, create product folder. Okay, save. Here, now the workflow has been saved, and it's currently active. If now I create a product, let's say pineapple, save. Check the timeline. It says that the automation has been worked and the folder ID has been updated. Refresh it. So this is the folder ID saved in the record. and this folder is being created in the WorkDrive as well. But you can see there is nothing in the widget. So for that, we need to create a widget so that we can view the folder in the CRM. For that, let's click on the Add Related list. Click on the widgets. Okay, then you can install this as well. Easy WorkDrive by Easy Plugins. Install. Easy WorkDrive. Save. Now you have the Easy WorkDrive. And it is saying that there is no field associated with this widget. So we need to select the field for the first time. This is the WorkDrive Folder ID. Save Related List setting. And you can see the folder in the CRM. Let's create a folder. Let's say Test. And the folder has been created in the WorkDrive as well. Go to WorkDrive Folder. You can see under the Easy WorkDrive Team folder, you have the Module folder, which is Products. And under the Products module folder, you have the Record folder, Pineapple. And under the Pineapple folder, you have the Test folder. So this is how you can use our widget in a custom module or any product module. Thanks.